Okay, my algebra students, already another Monday. Notice we only have 3 weeks, and this is the only week that has 5 days. Next week is 4, the following week is 4, and then we are done. So we're going to have a grade this Thursday. That's the plan if everything goes okay. And it will be on scientific notation and factoring. But anyways, here we go. So we got to write this in scientific notation. So the first part's easy, just 7, 6, 5. Got to be a number 1 to 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got to move the decimal 6 times. So there we go. So 5.6 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 times 10 to the 3, 6, 7, 8. Woohoo! Then this has to be 6.08. Move it till you get to the 6. Now we got to make this smaller to get the original, so it's a negative power. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be 7.6 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is 9.0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! Now put it in regular notation. That means I got to move the decimal 7 times, making it bigger. So 1, then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doink, doink. So this is making it bigger. It's positive. So 5, move it once. That's 7. You still have 3 more. 1, 2, 3. This is making it smaller. So you move it once, and then we have 2 more. So 1, 2, and then 3, 6. So I have to move it once to get to 7 past the decimal, and then 7 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 2. 7, because 1 and 7 is 8. Now, same power, so we just add. That's 11 plus 10 to the third. Ooh, I tricked you. This has to be between 1 and 10, so move the decimal once. And since I moved it once, I got to make this bigger. So here, 3 times 2 is 6, times 10 to the 4 plus 11 is 15. Then 5 times 3 is 15 times 10. 3 plus negative 7, negative 10 is negative 7. But I got to make this smaller. So I got to make this one bigger to keep it imbalanced. Then we have 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 10 to the 4 minus 2. Whenever you divide two things same base, you subtract the powers. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 10 to the 20 minus a negative 6 would be 20 plus 6 is 26. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Negative 20 minus a negative 4. Boy, that's tricky. Negative 20 plus 4 is negative 16. Then we had some factoring questions. On the second day, Thursday, we just did that. That was due Thursday night, I do believe. Then factor out GCF, so it'll be x minus 6. 7 is common to both, but it doesn't both have an x, so you just factor the 7 out. Oh, this has x's in every one, so we need the x to the smallest power. And 5 is common to all, so it'd be 5x to the 5th. 4x to the 15th, because when you multiply two things same base, you add. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. and then x to the 5th. Wow, I really kind of went to sleep there. Sorry about that. Then 5x to the 5th times 1 is 5x to the 5th. Then difference of squares, you would have x plus 3, x minus 3. This is 4 plus x, 4 minus x. This is x to the 10th plus y to the 5th. X to the 10th minus y to the 5th. And this is a tough one. Remember, when you raise the power, you multiply. So what times 2 is 100? That'd be 7x to the 50th plus 4y squared. 7x to the 50th minus 4y squared. Okay, so that's the homework I wanted to go over. Then we're going to continue with factoring. So there's going to be a second video today. Oh, how lucky we are. 2 videos on a Monday. Oh, my goodness. So watch part 2 after this.